Right now, gun violence is the leading cause of death for children and teens in the U.S., surpassing car accidents and cancer. Tonight, a growing number of doctors who treat young victims are now speaking up to bring awareness about gun safety and save lives. 11 Alive's Liza Lucas explains what's being done to keep our children safe.
It's devastating for the family, it's devastating for the community, it's devastating for the students in the school who attend school with this child.
When a child is injured or killed by a gun, the loss ripples through the community. It also hits home for the team at Children's Healthcare of Atlanta.
First of all, it's sadness that there's another child who's been shot by a gun, and this discouragement at times because it feels like we're moving in the wrong direction.
Last year, more than 1,600 children and teens across the country were killed by gun violence. More than 4,000 were injured.
At Children's Healthcare of Atlanta, what we have been seeing is number one, like everywhere else in the country, homicide or interpersonal violence is number one cause. But number two is actually unintentional, which is why we are specifically focused on trying to prevent that.
Dr. Fraser Doe says there are steps parents can take to keep their kids safe. For example, if the parent is a gun owner, they should have an empty weapon locked up with the ammo stored separately. And if your child is going to a friend's house, parents are encouraged to talk to each other about whether they own a gun. Dr. Fraser Doe says these safety tips can have an impact on all types of gun violence, and she's speaking up in hopes of saving young lives.
I can't prevent the child who gets cancer. I can't prevent the child who gets diabetes or asthma, but this is something that is preventable.
Some children's hospitals are now giving out free gun locks in an effort to be a part of the solution, even keeping them on hand in the emergency room. Children's and its partners passed out more than 200 last year during special events. Studies are showing that these free locks are having an impact.